Hi everyone! Welcome back to another recipe video. And for today's episode, I will be teaching you how to make mais con yelo. At sa paggawa ng ating mais con yelo, gagamitin natin itong ice crusher na to. Nabili ko siya from Shopee. I think that was 3 years ago. Siguro mga 2,100, I'm not sure. But then, napaka-helpful niya talaga kasi ang daling gumawa ng crushed ice dito. So, all you need to do is ilalagay dito yung ice cubes, tapos tatakpan, and then iti-turn on natin itong switch dito sa gilid. Mamaya, I'll show you how to use this ice crusher. At electric siya, guys. So, madaling-madali siyang gamitin. Okay, so if you wanted to learn how to make mais con yelo at home, here are the ingredients and please keep on watching. Ice, corn kernels, angel Kremdensada, and corn flakes. So this is our mais con yelo. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Please don't forget to like and share. And if you have any questions or any suggestions, just type in below. And if you also wanted to learn more recipes, you can visit our website, www.delishph.com, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like and follow us on our Facebook page. You can also find us at Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye!
Mais Flakes cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.